Okay, so let's solve this question. Here, the equation of the curves are given: x square equals to 4y, y equals to 2, and y equals to 4, and the y-axis. So we know that the equation of the y-axis is how much is what it is: x equals to 0. Yes or no? Okay. In the first quadrant, it is asked. Okay. Sorry, it is y equals to 2, and this is y equals to 4. Okay. So x square equals to 4y. We can also write it as y equals to x square by 4. So the shape of this curve will be a parabola, obviously. So let's draw the approximate graphs of these four functions. This is the y-axis. Let's say this is the x-axis. And y equals to x square by 4. Let's slightly extend the x-axis towards the negative side. And y equals to x square by 4, the shape will be somewhat like this. Okay. Now y equals to 2. Okay, y equals to 2 is a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis, and it will intersect the y-axis at 0 comma 2. Okay, and y equals to 4, that is also a straight line which is parallel to the x-axis and which intersects the y-axis at 0 comma 4. Okay, now the equation of this straight line is y equals to 4, and the equation of this straight line is y equals to 2. Okay, now it is asked that to find the area only in the first quadrant. It means we need to find only this part, the area of this part we'll find. Let's say the area of this is a square units. Okay, and the equation of this graph is x square equals to 4y. Okay, so how to find a? That will be simply the integration of, so here x square is 4y. So actually we can find x. So if we solve it, if we take the square root on both sides in this equation, then we will get x equals to plus minus root over 4y. Yes or no? Okay, so it means we can get plus minus 2 root y. Okay, so the branch of the parabola which is um, on the right side, the branch which is on the right side, the equation of that will be x equals to 2 root y, and the equation of the part of, or the branch which is on the negative side, its equation will be x equals to minus 2 root y. Okay, so we can do like this, do like 2 root y dy. Since here we have to integrate along the y-axis, no, so we should write dy instead of dx. If the integration is like this, where we have to integrate along the x-axis, means say the area is like this. Okay, means it is, we have to integrate along the x-axis, then we should use dx. Okay, and if we have some curve, say like this, where we have to integrate along the y-axis, no, so then we should use dy instead of dx. Okay, so here y, the limits of y is going from 2 to 4. Okay, so that will be 2 integral of root y dy, and it is going from 2 to 4. Okay, so that will be 2 integral y power half dy 2 to 4. Okay, so that will be 2 y power half plus 1 divided by half plus 1, and it is going from 2 to 4. Okay, so that will be your 2 times this will be y power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. Oh, and the limits are 2 to 4. Now this will be equal to 2 times 2 by 3 will come here, and that will be y power 3 by 2, and we have to put 2 as the lower limit and 4 is the upper limit. That's why you have to do 4 by 3 times, that is 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. Okay, so that will be your 4 by 3 times 4 power 3 by 2. So 4 power half is 2, 2 cube, 2 power 3 minus 2 power half, that is root 2, root 2 power 3, that is 2 root 2. Okay, so that will be 4 by 3 times 8 minus 2 root 2. So that will, so if we want, we can take 2 as common outside, so that will be 8 by 3 times 4 minus root 2, this much square units. Okay, so this is the answer. Thank you.